In this module, we're going to look at marketplaces, platforms where you can list your digital products and get access to built-in traffic, customers, and even affiliates who can promote your offers for you. This is especially powerful if you're just starting out and don't have an audience yet. While creating your own storefront is great for long-term control, listing your products on existing marketplaces can help you generate faster sales without spending a dollar on ads. Let's go over some of the most popular options. First up, Etsy. Yes, Etsy is known for handmade items, but it's also one of the biggest marketplaces for digital products. Think printables, journals, checklists, planners, templates, and digital art. If your product is visual or lifestyle related, Etsy is a goldmine. You can easily list your Canva designs or rebranded PLR planners. Just make sure everything looks polished and original. Next, Warrior Plus and JVZoo. These platforms are designed for digital products with resale rights like PLR and master resell rights. What makes them powerful is their built-in affiliate networks. When you list a product, affiliates can pick it up and promote it for you. That means traffic, leads, and sales, even if you're not doing any marketing yourself. Then there's ClickBank. ClickBank is one of the largest platforms for digital courses, guides, and info products. Like Warrior Plus and JVZoo, it also has a large affiliate network. You can list a product here, set a commission rate, and let other people do the selling for you. Don't overlook Udemy. If you've turned a PLR product into a course or video training, Udemy is a great place to list it. Their platform brings in millions of learners, and once your course is live, they handle the marketing, payments, and delivery. You can also explore Warrior Forum for direct selling and launching offers, Creative Market for digital designs and templates, Design Bundles, great for PLR, graphics and Canva resources, Selfie and Payloads for indie creators with small digital stores. Now, keep in mind, each of these platforms has different rules. Some allow PLR or resell rights, and others don't. That's why it's important to check the license and review each platform's terms of service before uploading. Here's the best part. If you have access to the ultimate Digital Cashflow Vault, you already have products ready to list on many of these marketplaces. Some, like our manifestation journals, self-love trackers, and digital business startup kits, are perfect fits for Etsy or Warrior Plus right out of the box. And if you want to scale faster, getting your product in front of affiliate marketers is one of the smartest things you can do. You don't need a marketing budget, just a solid offer and the right place to list it. To make this easy, we've included a complete list of recommended marketplaces along with links and notes. You'll find that list attached below this video. Use it, explore the options. And remember, not a satire. You don't have to do all the work yourself. Let these platforms bring the traffic to you. In the next module, we'll walk you through setting up your storefront, whether you're building your own or using a platform, so you can go from idea to launch step by step. Let's keep going.